All right, friends. Today is Wednesday, May 13th. I don't know why I want to keep saying April. Anyways, today what we're going to do is we're going to do exactly like we did yesterday, where I just made one video with reading and math. That way it's making it easier as we're learning. So, today we're going to start with reading. You will need to have out this week's packet. Make sure that you're reading your 20 minutes a day. Also, please make sure that you're completing your foldable and your handwriting packet. Today we are going to be in our logbooks. So you will either need to access it online or you can use your actual hard copy if you have it. We're going to be reading a story called The Game of Silence. And our story starts on page 458. So I'm going to go ahead and open up my logbook to page 458. And it's called The Game of Silence. Our genre this week is still historical fiction, okay? So now is a good time to pause this video so that you can access it online or you can actually read the story in your textbook. And you have 11 questions to answer today. We are going to answer questions 1 through 5 together, and then you will be answering numbers 6 through 11 independently. On page 459, you're going to notice there is a glossary with some new words, some new Native American language words that will help you better understand the context of today's story. So we will pick up on our questions after you read. Again, you're stopping at page 463. So, number 1, in what year does the story take place? Right here on page 459, first paragraph, it tells you in 1850. So this story took place in 1850. Number 2, look at the glossary of Ajobi words. What language are the glossary words from? And they are from the Ajobi language. Okay. Number 3, why do you think the children play a game of silence? So think about why we might play, well, just kidding. We did not play this in 4th grade. But maybe in other grades or previous grades you have played like Quiet Mouse in the hallway. You have to be what in the hallway? Quiet. You have to be at a voice level 0. So by playing a game, you're kind of making it a little bit more fun to keep quiet. So these children, they have to keep quiet. So they're thinking, let's just play a little game to make it a little more fun, because I think we all know that you kids don't really like to be quiet. So you're going to kind of come up with your own way, just like these kids did, to make it more fun. Number 4, what has happened to the Raggedy Ones? So something has been happened to the Raggedy Ones, and they have been forced off their land. Okay? And number 5, how do readers know that winning the game is important to those people? Well, she stays silent even when her brother tricks make her angry. So if something makes you angry, you're going to want to get mad or talk about it. But instead, she's staying quiet. And that's kind of how you know that this game, winning the game, is so important to her. She's not going to fall into her brother's tricks, right? You will need to complete numbers 6 through 11 independently. If you have any questions on today's reading lessons, please let me know, and I will be more than happy to help you. And stay tuned in this video because I'm just going to continue with math next. Today in math, you are going to be completing any pages that say day 3 at the top. So today is Wednesday, and you're going to be looking at finding factor pairs. It tells you that you're completing pages 14, 15, and 16. So you have 3 pages today, and it says day 3 right at the top. Actually, page 14 is a resource page, so you're going to use this page to actually help you complete pages 15 and 16, so you don't have to do any work on this page. This page is kind of like a cheat sheet for you. However, you will be completing page 15. You have 6 questions at the bottom of page 15. And then you will also be completing page 16. And you have quite a few on page 16 that you will be completing. And that is it for today's math. If you have any questions about finding factor pairs, please let me know and I will be more than happy to help you. Tomorrow we're going to be talking about prime and composite numbers. We were kind of learning that right before we got out of school. So tomorrow will be a nice review of kind of where we left off. So if you have any questions, please let me know. I will be more than happy to help you. Otherwise, I will see you tomorrow on Thursday. Bye, friends.